Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when you're how to ffactory reset Android phone without losing data. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I have an Android phone that seems to have a minor problem, and I want to reset it to factory settings. But restoring the factory settings will lose all the data in the phone, and the data in the phone is what I need. So I am looking for a way to reset an Android phone without losing data. If there is, please feel free to tell me. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know how to factory reset Android phone without losing data, don't panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Reset will lose data. The solution here is to back up all data. Since restoring to factory settings will clear all data in the Android phone, you need to back up the data before restoring to factory settings, so as to achieve the effect of factory reset Android phone without losing any data. Next, we will explain the methods of backing up data for several mobile phone models. First, the method of backing up data on Huawei phones. 1. Use USB storage devices. When you want to do a factory reset on Android phone without losing data, you can use USB storage devices to store data on your phone. Please go to Settings, then select System and Updates, then select Backup and Restore, and finally select Backup and External Storage. 2. Use a memory card to back up. You can insert a memory card in your phone and use it to back up the data in your phone. Please go to Settings, then select System and Updates, then select Backup and Restore, and finally select Backup and External Storage. At this time, click on the memory card, enter the new screen, click Backup and select the data to be backed up. Second, the method of backing up data on Samsung phones. 1. Use Samsung Cloud. Open Settings, then select and click your name. Find and click Samsung Cloud on the new screen. Then find the data you need to back up, and finally click on Backup. 2. Use the Samsung Cloud application. Open the Samsung Cloud application, then select Backup Data, and then select the data you need to back up. Under the premise of ensuring that the network is normal, click Backup Now. Finally, the method to back up data on Xiaomi mobile phones. Open the Settings application, then click Xiaomi account and make sure that a valid Xiaomi account is logged in. Then, find the Backup Settings function and enable the Xiaomi Cloud Backup function. You can choose to back up immediately or set the backup time. Similarly, you need to keep the internet stable and normal. You need to back up the data and then restore the factory settings to achieve wipe an Android phone without losing data. Cause 2. Simple steps. The solution here is to reset the phone in settings. If you have made sure that all the data you need is backed up, then you can try the following steps to bring Android phone back to factory settings without losing data. Open the phone settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates. Select the Reset option on the new interface, and finally select the Reset Phone option. After the reset is complete, transfer the backed up data back to the Android device. Cause 3. Android device is powered off. The solution here is to reset the phone in recovery mode. If your Android device is powered off, then you can also try to enter recovery mode. If you have backed up your data, recovery mode can erase an Android phone without losing data. Now, we will show you how to do it. Turn off your Android phone or wait for the battery to drain. Connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. The next step is to enter recovery mode. This is the official troubleshooting mode, so it is safe to try. Now, follow the steps corresponding to your Android phone brand to enter recovery mode. For Samsung Galaxy phones, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to find the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, and then use the power button to select it. Then, select Yes to trigger the reset process. For Google Pixel phones, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode, and then use the power button to enter the recovery mode. For Samsung Galaxy phones, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the source button selects it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Then, use the volume button and the power button to select the Wipe Data, Restore Factory Settings option to trigger the reset process. For Huawei or Honor phones, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume button to find the Wipe Data, Restore Factory Settings option and select it with the power button. Next, select Yes to trigger the reset process. Finally, wait for the phone to reset and retransfer the data to the Android phone. In this way, the problem of restoring Android phone to factory defaults without losing data is solved. Cause 4. Unable to backup data. The solution here is to let after-sales personnel help you backup and reset the phone. If you cannot backup your data, we recommend that you take your phone to the after-sales service center and let the after-sales personnel help you backup and reset the phone. After the reset is completed, let the after-sales personnel help you transfer the data to the Android phone. In this way, you can also reset an Android phone without losing everything. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix and perform a factory reset on Android phone without deleting any data, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.